Hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you a really cool way of remembering how to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so we have a rectangle here. This is just a note card. And I'm going to demonstrate our congruent triangles. We know that congruent means that they're the same size, same shape, the exact same, okay? So we have a rectangle. We're going to pretend that this side here is 10 inches or 10 centimeters, either one. And this one is 6, okay? So we have a rectangle. We know for the area of a rectangle, we just multiply length times width. So we'd have 10 times 6, which is 60. We're going to cut across to make our triangles, our two congruent triangles. So I'm cutting as straight as I possibly can. They might not be exactly straight. Okay. So you see I have two triangles. When they're put together, that makes our rectangle. Now, the area of our rectangle was 60 because we multiplied length times width to get 60 centimeters or inches, whatever. Okay, now to find the area of the triangle, the right triangle, see this corner? Our formula is actually 1/2 base times height. Now our triangle, we have our base and this is our height. Well, if we're putting it in rectangle formula, we actually have length and width. So what we're going to do is just cut our area of our rectangle in half. How are we going to divide our rectangle? We're going to divide by 2, right? That's going to be half. So we have 60 divided by 2, which is 30. So the area of our right triangle is 30, and our area of our other right triangle is 30. And when they're put back together for our rectangle, we have 60, okay? So when we are finding the area of a right triangle, we're always going to pretend that it is a rectangle. So how could we do this starting from the other side if we're just given a right triangle? Okay, we're given our base and our height. So say our base is 2 and our height is, let's do 15. Okay, so we have 2 and 15. We're going to imagine that we have a rectangle. You can even draw your triangle into a rectangle. Close it off, make it a rectangle. Our numbers do not change. We don't have base times height anymore. We're going to have length times width. So our top would be 15. Our side would be 2. 2 times 15, because that's our area of a rectangle. We're going to get 30. And remember, for the right triangle, we're going to cut it in half or divide by 2. So what is 30 divided by 2? You should get 15. So the area of your right triangle would be 15. I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.